Hi guys. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello. It's very nice. No. What? It's dying na the grasses. So those leaves is still green.
In some
Like that.
trees they are in the winter. In summer they're not green.
This one, oh, why is still not getting yellow? Hello,
I don't know. I'm
hello.
no nature guy, so I don't know.
Maybe it's getting frozen directly, that one. Yeah, because it's still not changing the color.
I don't know.
Pauwi na tayo, guys. Kasi umuwi ng maaga. May lakad ang isa. No more leaves. Other side. Maybe it's very cold at night. What's that? It's raining?
Huh?
What's that noise?
Rocks. The ground.
That area is nice there. Oh. sa biyahe ko. I-tour ko kayo dito sa Denmark. Ayan yung mga dahon, yung mga puno ngayon guys. Naninilaw na dahil magtataglamig na ulit. Hello, pinsan. Rosiso. Kumusta? Kumusta? Ano nga yung na-press ko? Parang ito. Uy! Why you're on the side?
Fall asleep now.
Crazy.
That's serious.
Craziness. Huh? Why you keep in the side then the tire is
No, it's,
damaged?
It's nice. It's what they make so if people fall asleep, they will wake up.
Hindi na-traffic ngayon. How much I pay this one before, baby love? When I took exam for this immigration.
The deposit.
This one I took exam right there in
No, two
Glostrup.
exams you took, A1 and A2.
Yeah. How much is that?
3 and 4,000. Go
Three
up
to-
every time. 2 times 3,000 something or 2 times 4,000.
What?
2 times 3,000, 2 times 4,000. I don't know. Wait, one of them.
This 4,000.
Why?
No, because last time they asked me, I'm saying maybe 3,000. Kim, I guess she need to take exam also, right?
Yeah, syphilis.
So when it start the, anytime, she's here already. So they still need let's say 9 months. She need to take exam.
They need to wait until you get the paper.
When she get the paper, get the exam.
Then they will tell her from now on, this day the paper come until 6 months ahead. She needs to pass the first exam or 2 exams in 6 months.
But she's studying already. She studied already in module, let's say, module 5,
Yeah,
right?
so it's
she's-
easy for her.
it's easy for her. So she don't need to be worried about it. But it's it's just like, it's okay, it's normal, like normal conversation. There they adjust the volume of the, what I understand when they talk.
What
They adjust the volume, the speed.
Ah,
Yeah, it's not like, you'll say it's normal people who talk, but the speed of the voice is very fast.
maybe they take it down because you can complain after, right? So that's what they ask you. They will
What
change,
age?
they will change it every year. Every year
different.
Different test, different what to do, what to say. Different.
Because I'm just like last time, not expecting. I seem like